When du is at the beginning of a word, it sounds like duh, as in duck, or do, as in duplicate. But listen carefully. What do the letters du sound like in these words when spoken with my North American accent? Graduate, education, reschedule, individual. Did you hear that j sound? Graduate. In a North American accent, du can sound like Jew or ja in unstressed syllables. Repeat after me. Let's reschedule that individual. Before graduating, she received an educational scholarship. Now, listen to the pronunciation of du in these two words. Procedure, endure. What's the difference? They both end in dure, but they're pronounced differently. Procedure, endure. Yes, we hear the j sound in procedure because du is part of the unstressed syllable. However, in the word endure, du is part of the stressed syllable, endure, and is pronounced as do. Repeat after me. How could anyone endure the procedure? Well done. To learn more about stressed syllables and pronunciation patterns, sign up for my email list. I'll send you a free video course about my top 10 pronunciation tips.